This is a quick tutorial to help you access your Exhibitor portal. Firstly, I'd like to mention that you will receive an invite email to your event Exhibitor portal, and it will look something like this. It will come from events@gbta.org, and it will have an invitation for your specific event where you can click Login. Once you click Login, it will take you to this login page. If you already have a login, you can simply add your details and click Login. If you don't have a login, it will ask you to create your login, and once you are inside the portal, it will look something like this. So today we're going to go through the Profile, Content, Team, and Licenses menu, which are our main items that we need to manage through the portal. The portal is used to manage your company profile and your team booth staff registrations. So under your profile is the first thing to think about. This is the information that you put in here is visible to attendees in the Attendee Hub and the mobile app once that is launched. You can go to Options and Edit Profile. The three main things to think about is making sure you include a company logo, your company name, make sure it's correct, and then also a description. Additionally, if you want to scroll down and add some contact information and social media links, you can do that here. Please make sure to always save your work. Another option for your profile is to add additional content, and you can do that by adding some video content, files, or links. You have the option for all three or one of the three. Please note the specifications under the Add buttons here. Please make sure to follow those so they upload correctly. And this is optional, not required, but this will add additional content to your profile. The other main important item within the portal is to manage your booth staff registrations, and you can do that under the Team menu here. You have two tabs, one that says Booth Staff, one that says Admin. Your admins will show you anyone that is an admin of the portal. This does not mean that they are registered for the event. It just means they are admins to manage the portal. Under booth staff, you will see anyone that's listed and tied to your booth who is registered. You will see their name, email, registration type, and confirmation number to tell you that they are registered and tied to your booth. You'll also have this drop down here that will share with you any available registrations to you. So this account here shows that it has one Exhibitor booth staff comp available that we can use to register a team member. Anything additional would be a paid category. 500 just means unlimited. So for either one, you can go to Booths, Add Booth Staff. You can either share a sign-up link or register booth staff yourself. If you share a sign-up link, you'll want to select the correct category, and then it will show you the URL. You can copy it and send that to the individual in your email account so that they can register themselves. Again, you also have the option to register people yourself, so you can go to Register Booth Staff, and then again you would select the category, and you would just directly go to the site to register them yourself. The last piece I'd like to mention is licenses. This is optional and not required and managed through the portal. You have the option to purchase a lead retrieval license where this helps when you're talking to attendees at your booth. You can scan their badges, the QR code at the back of their badge, to collect their information. And this is purchased through the portal. It is purchased and managed by Cvent, and they will take a credit card for payment directly through the portal. If you're interested, you can buy the licenses here. You have the option for some events. It will only show you the option for a license that you can download to your own mobile device, or the option to purchase a tool, depending on the event. Thank you so much for listening.